Hello, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll be looking at the 5 life-changing smart gadgets you didn't know existed. We are diving into a world where your home cleans itself, your jewelry monitors your heart, and language barriers simply vanish. The links to all the products are listed in the description below, so let's get into it. First up, we have the Roborock Saros Z70 Robot Vacuum and Mop. This high-tech cleaner is currently priced at $1,999.99. You can also take advantage of a huge discount right now, saving $599 and 1 cent off the list price of $2,599. This isn't your average vacuum. It features a 5-axis Omni-Grip mechanical arm that can actually pick up and tidy away small items like socks or tissues. With a massive 22,000 pascals of suction and an ultra-slim design, it reaches dirt others miss. It even features a 10-in-1 dock that washes the mops with 176-degree Fahrenheit hot water and dries them with warm air, giving you up to 7 weeks of totally hands-free cleaning. Next is the DJI Mini 3 Fly More combo. This bundle is currently priced at $575. That's a 20% savings of $144 off the regular price of $719. This drone is perfect for creators because it weighs under 249 grams, meaning you don't need to register it in most regions. It captures stunning 4K HDR video and features a gimbal that rotates for true vertical shooting, which is perfect for social media. The Fly More combo is a must-have because it includes 3 batteries for over 100 minutes of flight time and a dedicated remote with a built-in screen. Moving on, we have the Dolphin Nautilus CC Automatic Robotic Pool Vacuum Cleaner, which is priced at $599. This robot takes the work out of owning a pool by using an active scrubbing brush that spins twice as fast as standard brushes to remove algae and dirt. It uses clever clean technology to scan your pool and find the most efficient route, even climbing and scrubbing the walls. It's a simple plug-and-play system that works independently of your pool's filter, making it energy efficient and incredibly easy to maintain. For the travelers, check out the Saros AI Translation Earbuds. These are currently priced at $79.99. These earbuds are like having a universal translator in your pocket, supporting 164 languages with almost zero delay. They offer 6 different modes, including simultaneous interpretation for real-time conversations and even a mode for translating video calls. With 40 hours of battery life and high-fidelity sound, they double as your everyday headphones while providing permanent, subscription-free access to world-class translation. Finally, we have the RENPHO Lynx Smart Ring. This sleek piece of wearable tech is priced at $229. Crafted from titanium, this ring is a powerhouse for health tracking, monitoring your sleep, heart rate, blood oxygen, and stress levels 24/7. It features a 7-day battery life and is 5 ATM waterproof, so you never have to take it off, even when swimming. The best part is that there are no subscription fees. All your data syncs for free with the RENPHO Health app, making it a smarter, more discreet alternative to a traditional smartwatch. From robots that can pick up your laundry to earbuds that speak every language, these gadgets really do feel like the future. If you saw something that would change your life, let me know which one in the comments. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.